Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to watch phone history. You can see if anyone cleared recent apps that they are used. You cannot know what they have used. To know the recent history, just go to the phone dial pad and enter this code. You can see three options available here: phone information, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information. In phone information, you can get all the details of your phone including IMEI number. In usage statistics, you can see the phone history of every app in your phone. You can clearly see when was the app previously used. And what are the previously used apps? You can see the app last time used details as well. Clicking app name will show the details of every app. When was the last time you had an access to this app? You can see the details of the app that I have used. I have used Twitter at 416 and Facebook at 416, YouTube at 421. That was the first thing that mentioned there is the time, and the second thing that mentioned is the total time that you spend in that app. You can check it with app name. You can have a details of each and every app here. Wi-Fi information can also be found here. I am not connected to the Wi-Fi now. It will show you the Wi-Fi details as well. That's it. Thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.